Head pieced together like a puzzle is. Always got my head in the clouds.